Are you struggling to see success in your online marketing efforts? You're not alone. Many individuals face challenges that hinder their progress in the digital landscape. From small business owners to aspiring entrepreneurs, the journey of online marketing can be daunting and overwhelming. But fear not, as today we're going to delve into the common mistakes that may be holding you back and provide you with the guidance you need to overcome them. In the fast-paced world of online marketing, it's easy to get lost in the sea of competition and information overload. From search engine optimization to social media strategies, there are countless factors to consider when trying to make your mark in the digital realm. However, with the right knowledge and approach, you can navigate through these challenges and pave the way for your success. In this video, we'll explore the common pitfalls that many individuals face in their online marketing journey. Whether it's a lack of understanding of your target audience, ineffective content strategies, or poor website optimization, these mistakes can hinder your progress and prevent you from reaching your full potential. But fret not, as we're here to guide you through these obstacles and help you avoid the pitfalls that may be holding you back. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and practical tips that will empower you to make informed decisions and take your online marketing efforts to the next level. By understanding the challenges that you may encounter and learning how to overcome them, you'll be better equipped to achieve your goals and stand out in the competitive digital landscape. So, if you're ready to elevate your online marketing game and unlock your true potential, then stay tuned as we dive into the world of common mistakes in online marketing and how you can avoid them. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and motivated to take action towards building a successful online presence. Let's embark on this journey together and turn your online marketing struggles into triumphs. Be sure to like and subscribe to Affiliate Monarchs for more online marketing content. Now let's get started with the importance of investing in quality online training. When it comes to achieving success in online marketing, one of the key factors that can make a significant difference is investing in quality online training. Proper training not only equips you with the necessary skills and knowledge but also empowers you to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Quality online training plays a crucial role in skill development and knowledge enhancement. By enrolling in courses that are specifically tailored to the intricacies of online marketing, you can deepen your understanding of concepts such as SEO, content marketing, social media strategies, and more. These courses provide you with practical insights, real-world examples, and hands-on experience that can help you sharpen your skills and refine your approach to online marketing. Training courses like Tube Mastery 3.0 have emerged as reputable sources of online training for starting a YouTube channel, offering module-based training covering every step of the process from A to Z. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer a wide range of courses taught by industry experts and professionals. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a solid foundation in online marketing or an experienced marketer seeking to expand your skill set, these platforms provide a wealth of resources to cater to your specific needs. From beginner-friendly courses to advanced masterclasses, you can find a diverse array of options to suit your learning style and pace. Investing in continuous learning through quality online training not only enhances your current skill set but also opens up new opportunities for growth and advancement. By staying updated on the latest trends, tools, and techniques in online marketing, you can adapt to changes in the industry and position yourself as a valuable asset to your business or clients. The long-term benefits of investing in online training are manifold, including increased job prospects, higher earning potential, and a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, quality online training allows you to network with like-minded professionals, collaborate on projects, and gain valuable insights from industry leaders. By immersing yourself in a community of learners and experts, you can expand your horizons, exchange ideas, and stay inspired to push the boundaries of your online marketing endeavors. In conclusion, investing in quality online training is not just a one-time expense but a strategic investment in your future success. By honing your skills, expanding your knowledge, and staying abreast of industry trends, you can position yourself for growth and excellence in the dynamic world of online marketing. So, take the leap, enroll in that course, and embark on a journey of continuous learning and professional development. Your success in online marketing awaits. Now, let's take a look at another pitfall: identifying quality content creation tools. In the realm of online marketing, the quality of your content can make or break your success. That's why it's crucial to identify and utilize quality tools for content creation that can elevate your brand, engage your audience, and set you apart from the competition. From graphic design to social media management, the right tools can streamline your workflow, enhance your creativity, and ultimately drive results in your online marketing efforts. Tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Buffer have become indispensable assets for content creators looking to produce visually appealing, engaging, and impactful content. Canva, with its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates, allows you to design stunning graphics, presentations, and social media posts with ease. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice, Canva empowers you to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life in a visually compelling way. Adobe Creative Cloud, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive suite of professional-grade tools for graphic design, photo editing, video production, and more. From Photoshop for image manipulation to Premiere Pro for video editing, Adobe Creative Cloud provides you with the tools you need to create high-quality, multimedia content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. When it comes to social media management, Buffer is a go-to tool for scheduling posts, analyzing performance metrics, and engaging with your followers across various platforms. By streamlining your social media workflow and providing valuable insights into audience behavior, Buffer enables you to optimize your content strategy, increase your reach, and foster meaningful connections with your audience. One of the best content generation tools on the market is TubeMagic AI, a suite of state-of-the-art AI tools. TubeMagic has plenty of great features to help you with running your YouTube channel. It's designed to help you with every step of the YouTube process, from video idea to optimizing your finished video. To ensure that you're choosing the right tools for your specific needs, it's essential to research and evaluate your options carefully. Consider factors such as your budget, skill level, desired features, and compatibility with your existing workflow. Read reviews, watch tutorials, and test out free trials to get a feel for how each tool aligns with your goals and preferences. Using quality content creation tools not only enhances the visual appeal of your content but also improves its overall quality and impact on your audience. By investing in tools that streamline your creative process, enhance your productivity, and elevate the professionalism of your content, you can attract and retain the attention of your target audience, drive engagement, and ultimately achieve your online marketing objectives. In conclusion, the importance of identifying quality content creation tools cannot be overstated in the competitive landscape of online marketing. By leveraging tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Buffer, you can unlock your creative potential, streamline your workflow, and deliver content that captivates and resonates with your audience. So, equip yourself with the right tools, unleash your creativity, and watch your online marketing efforts soar to new heights. Are you enjoying this educational and informative content? Be sure to like and subscribe to Affiliate Monarchs for more. Let's continue on and look at the importance of persistence in online marketing. In the fast-paced world of online marketing, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and above all, persistence. The ability to stick with your strategies long enough to see results is a key factor in achieving your goals and making a lasting impact in the digital landscape. In this section, we'll delve into the importance of persistence in online marketing and how it can lead to long-term success. One of the fundamental principles of success in online marketing is the concept of delayed gratification. It's about understanding that results may not be immediate and that progress takes time. By embracing patience and staying committed to your strategies, you set yourself up for sustainable growth and meaningful outcomes in the long run. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful online marketing campaign. Success stories of individuals who have achieved remarkable results through persistence serve as powerful reminders of the impact of staying the course. From small business owners who grew their online presence through consistent content creation to entrepreneurs who turned setbacks into opportunities through relentless perseverance, these stories inspire us to keep pushing forward, even in the face of challenges. Setting realistic expectations and staying committed to your goals are essential components of persistence in online marketing. Define clear objectives, establish measurable milestones, and create a roadmap that guides your actions and decisions. By breaking down your goals into manageable tasks and staying focused on the bigger picture, you can maintain momentum, track your progress, and stay motivated along the way. It's important to remember that success in online marketing is not a sprint but a marathon. It requires continuous effort, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By staying persistent in your strategies, you demonstrate resilience, determination, and a growth mindset that can propel you towards your desired outcomes. In conclusion, the importance of persistence in online marketing cannot be overstated. By embracing delayed gratification, learning from success stories, setting realistic expectations, and staying committed to your goals, you can navigate the challenges of the digital landscape with confidence and resilience. So, stay the course, trust the process, and keep pushing forward, knowing that your persistence will ultimately lead you to success in online marketing. In this video, we've explored the essential elements that contribute to success in online marketing and how you can overcome common challenges to achieve your goals. From investing in quality online training to using the right tools and embracing persistence, we've highlighted the key factors that can elevate your online marketing efforts and set you on the path to success. Investing in quality online training is crucial for skill development, knowledge enhancement, and staying ahead of the curve in the dynamic world of online marketing. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer a wealth of resources to help you expand your skill set, deepen your understanding of key concepts, and position yourself as a valuable asset in the digital landscape. Courses like Tube Mastery 3.0 will give you a thorough education in starting and running a YouTube channel. Identifying and utilizing quality content creation tools such as Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Buffer can streamline your workflow, enhance your creativity, and drive engagement with your audience. By leveraging these tools effectively, you can produce visually appealing, high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. TubeMagic AI will provide you with a high-end content generation tool, and also serves as a digital product you can promote as an affiliate and earn passive income. Persistence is key to success in online marketing, as it requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to stay the course even when faced with challenges. By embracing delayed gratification, learning from success stories, setting realistic expectations, and staying committed to your goals, you can navigate the ups and downs of the digital landscape with confidence and resilience. Now, it's time for you to take action and apply the learnings from this video to your own online marketing strategies. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a strong foundation or an experienced marketer seeking to refine your approach, the insights shared here can empower you to make informed decisions, drive results, and achieve your desired outcomes in the digital realm.